Ready to dive into the world of cryptocom in Canada and unlock its crypto potential? First things first, download the cryptocom app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, tap sign up and enter your email address. Make sure it's an email you actively use, as you'll need to verify it. Cryptocom will send you a verification link via email. Click on it to confirm your email address. Now, back in the app, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. A verification code will be sent via SMS, which you'll need to enter in the app. Here's where things get serious. KYC, or Know Your Customer Verification. You'll need to provide your legal first and last name, date of birth, and Canadian residential address. This information is essential for regulatory compliance. Then, you'll be asked to submit a clear photo of your government's ID, like a driver's license or passport, and finally, take a selfie following the on-screen instructions for facial recognition. Make sure you're in good lighting. Next, let's fund your account. Tap the trade button. Then choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Select your payment method. You can use a credit card, debit card, or Interac transfer. Keep in mind that credit card purchases may incur fees, so a transfer might be your most cost-effective option. Selling is just as simple. In the trade section, tap Sell. Select the cryptocurrency you want to sell and sell it for CAD. You can then withdraw the CAD back to your Canadian bank account through a transfer. Want to earn passive income? Check out Cryptocom Earn. You can stake your crypto for various periods and earn interest. Explore the different options and associated risks before committing. Speaking of earning, you can get a Cryptocom Visa card. This card offers rewards in CR tokens for your everyday spending. The card tiers vary based on how much CRO you stake. Be aware that this feature might have limitations or changing conditions for Canadian users, so double check the latest information on the Cryptocom website. Security is paramount. Enable two-factor authentication to FA in the security settings to protect your account from unauthorized access. This adds an extra layer of protection. And that's it. You're ready to start trading with Cryptocom in Canada. Stay safe, do your research, and happy hodling!